Hey guys, it's Mr. Joshua with another Gundam msia review. This morning I am showing off to you guys my custom GM that I just got doing over the weekend. And this guy that I'm showing you right now, he's just, complete. He's a complete parts mobile suit, and he was really fun to make. I made him over a weekend. It took me like maybe an hour or two to make, including the dyeing and such. But essentially what I had was my parts bin. I had an RX-78 who was missing the legs, a hand, and shoulder pads. And with me, I enjoy making RX-78s. I enjoy collecting those and turning those into GMs and customizing the colors or even battle scarring. And so what I did with this dude was I gave him a joint replacement on the head. Because with the original RX-78 version 1.0s, they don't come with ball joints for the heads. It's just a weird fucking plastic stick thing that comes out. And so what I did was I gave it a ball joint, used some really good super glue, and put that in there. And as it was drying, I went through my bins of parts and whatnot, and found that I had uh, a pair of Alex Gundam legs. So what I did was I took the Alex Gundam legs and I stuck them inside the RX-78 joints, and they actually worked out pretty well, surprisingly. And then after that, I remembered that I had the RX-78 heavy type, the fixed figuration, and I remember making resin cast of the shoulder pads because I really liked them. So I took the shoulder pads, slapped them on, and they looked pretty badass. Like it just gave them the kind of a spacey, bulky look to them. And same thing with the GM head. That's just resin cast. And what I did after that was I took some paint remover. I removed the blue on the legs. I removed all the paint on the torso, and it is some thought about it. So I took everything that's black. I took all that and put it in some black synthetic dye and let that boil for about 10 minutes. Took it out, painted the GM head, and put everything together. And after that, I took the torso apart and added some Gundam paint to it. Pretty cool stuff. And what I was originally going for, I was originally going for like a real type look, like these guys in the back. And the colors are pretty close, not exactly, but came out pretty nice. And this just goes to show you that you can pretty much make anything out of scraps. This guy was literally made out of scraps. And all I had to do was get an RX-78 torso, and oh yeah, then I cut off this shit too, sanded it down. It's still there a little bit, but not complete yet. But let's give you guys a nice 360 around. He comes with a beam saber too, so that's cool. And the only thing he's missing right now are just the boosters. I actually found an RX-78 version 1.5 boosters I could use on him, but it's kind of a waste in my opinion. I don't know. But oh yeah, then what I also did with the hand that was missing right here was I just attached a green goof hand on there, and it looks pretty nice. It really does. And then in the background, I have more of a real type look GM to that guy. He's pretty cool looking, but he's up for another video. I have all these other GMs that I'm working on. Cool stuff. And I just recently got done selling my urban type GM force yesterday, so that was pretty cool. Some guy paid me big money for that with my Gallop, so that was pretty cool. Cool stuff. But anyways, yeah. It took me about maybe an hour and a half to 2 hours just to get them all complete. And he's pretty cool. He's actually going to go with my, what's he called? The gun parry. I have a gun parry that I'm selling, and he's going to go with it. And same with a good majority of the GMs. Kind of scrounging for money right now. But anyway, that's about it. And again, sorry about my video quality. It's just fucking. It's the best I can do. It's a camera phone. But yeah. If anybody's interested in me making some, custom GMs for them or battle scar and anything, recoloring and whatnot, let me know. We can work out a deal. Anyways, thanks for watching and stay tuned for some